Hello everybody, MotoHolic here and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to take you on a small tour around Varanasi. I know it's not much, I have not covered probably even 1% of the city, but it is what it is. Let's go and watch it. I have met a couchsurfer Rajat in Varanasi who was kind enough to spend the whole day with me, show me around and take me to places. Really good job, Rajat. If you're watching, thank you so much. And I really appreciate all the time that you have taken to take me around and show me all these places. So this side?
Yeah, this way.
Alright guys, we're at Varanasi Hindu University campus right now and this is my friend Rajat. Okay, so we're touring around here for a bit and apparently this is the largest university campus in Asia. So we're having breakfast right now, here we are, and we'll go around over here, yeah. And then we'll go around and do some sightseeing. Guys, as I told you, the BHU campus is huge. It's Asia's largest campus. Look at this, they even have their own petrol pump on the campus there. This is crazy. This is something I have not seen before. Full tank, please. Full. Full tank, full tank.
Full.
Yes.
Rupees.
No, I said full tank. I have it on video. $200, no? So we are in Kashi Vishwanath Temple in VHU. This is the campus. They don't allow us filming inside, but we're outside. Here's how it looks like. Say hello. Hi. See you around. I have not been to many university campuses. As a matter of fact, I don't think I have been to any university campuses. But this VHU campus, VHU stands for Varanasi Hindu University campus. It is by far huge. It's amazing. It took me, I don't know what, 20 minutes just to drive around the campus. You can imagine how big it is. Just to get an idea of how big it is, the campus has a couple of temples of their own. They have their own petrol pump. They have hospitals and municipal buildings and all kinds of things. It's really it's huge. From what I have been told, it is the biggest campus area-wise.
Oh my, stand. Okay, let's go off-roading. I'm guessing this is the part where they don't want you to see?
Yep, of course. This is where they dump off the...
So guys, I had an amazing tour at the VHU campus. It is, as they say, it is huge. It took us good 10-15 minutes to drive just around it, not driving on every single part of it, just around it from one end to the other and back. And I'd say it's got at least 40 kilometers of paved paths, like drivable paths, roads on it. They have dozens of different faculties, where you study different subjects like agriculture, animals, and IT department, and hell, I can't even name all of them. As you've seen before, for Christ's sake, they have their own petrol pump at the campus, hospitals, and it's huge. It's huge.
Okay, this is light traffic condition in Varanasi. So for you guys who are used to traffic jams, don't complain until you come to Varanasi, man.
The traffic in Varanasi, I have to say, the traffic is insane. I have said that in my previous video before, but I'm gonna say it again. This city is mad with traffic. I mean, there are roads packed with cars. The empty spaces between cars is filled in with motorcycles. The empty spaces between motorcycles is filled in with bicycles. And the empty spaces between the cyclists is people walking. And somehow or another they manage to move around and slowly move down the road. And when they come to intersection, it's chaos, it's madness. I don't know how they manage it, but they manage it. After seeing the traffic madness in Varanasi, somebody told me there's only one rule in India, and that rule is there are no rules. Now I can understand why they say it like that.
Lots of power over here.
Cows are a normal thing on the streets in India.
Varanasi is also known as the city of Ghats. There is so many ghats on the Ganga, it's like it goes down kilometers and kilometers. I did not have time to see all of them. We just walked about for a couple of hours. That was enough for me to really understand that this city is really revolving around the river Ganges.
Okay, parking.
You can also park on road, but that would not.
Yeah, I'd rather spend 10 rupees and make sure that my bike is not dinged up or scratched. Then.
So, there's lots of ghats in Varanasi. This one is called Asi Ghat, first ghat. Here, have a look. See the Ganges behind me. Bunch of boats. We're gonna take a boat ride. The weather is nice. We're having fun. Keep watching. So guys, I lied to you. We didn't end up taking a boat ride, but I saw something else that's more interesting. I saw these local kids running up the embankment wall, which is at about like 45 degrees. So I tried to do it myself. Here, check it out.
Oh my god.
I took a small ride across the Ganges to the fort of Varanasi, seen it around from a little bit. I was not very impressed by it. It is in really run-down condition. It really needs a lot of maintenance and a lot of work on it. And I don't know if I missed anything or not by not going inside. You guys let me know in comments below if there was anything worth seeing or not.
Yeah, I came on a bridge that has 2 layers and the railway tracks keep going straight. Yeah. I love Varanasi.
So we are at the fort of Varanasi. This is where the king used to live. It's a bit run down. They did some maintenance. I'm really not gonna go inside because, well, they charge foreigners too much and I'm not gonna support that. But I'm sure if you're gonna see some videos about it, you'll be able to Google it, YouTube it, whatever. So here we are, more sightseeing of Varanasi. Dinner time! It's good food always. Always good food. Maybe it's because I'm starving, or maybe because it's actually good food. I'd like to think that it's because it's good food. So what we have here? Mixed veg, aloo dum, roti and dal fry. Well, I'm gonna eat. Guys, I had an amazing time in Varanasi today. I'm so sad that this day comes to an end and that I have to leave tomorrow. I spent more than 10 hours just roaming around the city with fellow couchsurfers. He was just showing me around and we had some wonderful discussions and talked a lot and seen quite a few places. Probably I have not even covered like 1% of the city. So I do have to come back here and explore more, but that is for later time. For now, I'm all ready to take rest and start on the road tomorrow again. Another day, another adventure, how my friend says. Varanasi, I love this city and I will come back. Alright guys, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. You can also press the little bell notification icon so you get notified every time new videos come out. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I'll leave links in the description below. In my next video, I'm going to take you from Varanasi to Agra and a little bit around Agra. So stay tuned. In the meantime, ride safe and enjoy every moment of it. Hello, hello, hello. Stay tuned. Watch it. Today, I'm going to take you on a small VHU stands for Varanasi Hindu University campus in Varanasi. Huge. You can imagine how big it is. And I'll show you some videos just so you get the idea how big it is. It's huge. I mean, when you think of Varanasi, you obviously think of the Ghats, no? Varanasi is also known for its traffic. Traffic is insane, mad with traffic. It's chaos, it's madness. I don't know how they manage it. There are no rules. To subscribe to my channel, press the little bell notification icon so you get notified when new videos come out. You can also share it and put... You go off script, you get messed up. Stick to the script. So stay tuned. Ride safe and enjoy every moment of it.